The navigation system for all Honda Goldwing models features a convenient Go Home function that provides an easy way to route you home from any location. But first, your home address must be stored in the system. To do that, press the Home button on the center panel or the left handlebar. Use the interface style to select Navigation from the Home menu and press Enter. The map screen will appear. Press the Enter button to reveal the map menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Select Menu and press Enter. This will take you to the Navigation menu. From here, select Go Home, then select Address. You'll need to use the interface style or the arrows on the left handlebar to enter the address details when prompted. As you enter the address, the keyboard display may provide auto-suggestions for you. When the address has been identified, the map screen will appear showing you the location. Select Save and press Enter. The display will provide a Done message, confirming that your address is saved as home. Now you can use the Go Home feature at any time. To go home, just press the Enter button on the center panel or the left handlebar to reveal a map menu bar. Select Go Home and press Enter. The navigation system will calculate the route from your current location. Press the Enter button to go and the system will guide you home. If you want to store a favorite place in the Goldwings navigation, you can do that too. From the map screen, press the Enter button to reveal the map menu bar. Select Menu and press Enter. Again, the navigation menu will appear. Next, select Destination Input. There are several methods to identify destination. You can either retrieve a previous destination that has previously been input. You can search for a point of interest. You can input a new address or simply identify a location. Choose which method you want to use to identify your desired destination. Once you've identified it, select the destination, then press and hold the Enter button. Setting options will appear on the screen. In this case, select Save to Favorite and press Enter. The location will now be saved in the Favorite menu. To go to your new favorite place, return to the Destination Input menu, select Favorite, then select your destination from the list and press Enter. The map screen will appear and the navigation system will calculate the route from your current location. Press the Enter button to go. The system will guide you to your destination. If you want to set or reset a destination as your home address, you can do it at any time. Just select a destination from any one of the navigation methods. For example, select a destination from a favorite menu. Press and hold the Enter button. This will bring up some setting options. Select Set to Home and press Enter. The location will now be saved as the new home for the Go Home feature.